Okay. So today's practice is writing down your top 10 desires list, number one step. Second, once you have written down your top 10 desire list, I would love you to read each of your list and really feel thankful and where in your heart area, right? Put all your attention near your heart area and see a glowing light there in your heart area, attention around your heart, and really feel thankful. How do you know that you are doing it right? You will either feel goosebumps, or you will feel tingling sensation, or you will feel something glowing in your heart. That means you are feeling that gratitude, right? Because with gratitude, it's all about how much can you feel it. More you feel it, more you are actually letting it go inside. More you are letting the abundance works for you. More you are letting the magic work for you. So I would love you to read each of your lists, see the tingling sensation, feel the tingling sensation in your heart, and really reread and say thank you, thank you, thank you. Then you will go to the second thing. Reread, say thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'll give you 10 minutes actually to do this practice really well. So the first 5 minutes, you may write 10 things. The next 5 minutes, you will read and really feel thankful in your heart. Understood? Can we do it? Easy? If there's any doubt, please feel free to ask me in the chat. I will really help you. Okay, shall we start? Okay, this is very interesting. Now you're doing future gratitude, not the present gratitude, because we have made the base. Now we are ready for future gratitude. Let's do it.
Thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the love in my life and all the good I cannot see. Thank you for every little thing, big and small, known and unknown. Every blessing, every step, every seed that I've ever sown. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Miracles are on their way. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My whole life is blessed today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Money, love, and joy appear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Magic is already here. Thank you for my perfect health. Thank you for my shining mind. Thank you for the wealth I'm calling. Thank you, it is already mine. Thank you for my happy home. Thank you for the love I feel.
How was the experience? Were you able to see it already happening? If you were able to see it already happening, that means that particular thing, whatever you have written, is there on its way. From today onwards, promise me one thing: no more worrying. Change worrying with gratitude. Zero worrying about your health, zero worrying about money, zero worrying about your relationship, zero worrying about XYZ. Only one thing that now you're going to do: change all your worry with gratitude. I'm grateful for this. Rather than saying, oh my God, I don't know what will happen, I'm grateful for this relationship. I know everything is working out for me. I know everything is working perfectly in perfect time in the divine timing. I know it's doing it well. That is what I would love you to say. Okay? So leave worry now, today. Do sab log. I will collect. Shakuntala, give me all your worries. Give. Yes. Jennifer, give me all your worries. All your worries. Once you have given, you cannot take it away. Give me, I will give it to the universe back. Give me. Give. Yes. Sajid, give me all your worries. Not a single worry now I want in your body. Tanu, give me all your worries. Yes. Dr. Ovia, give me all your worries. I'm collecting. Yes. Perfect. Harshita, give me all your worries. The only thing now you have is gratitude. You don't have only. What you don't have, how will you use it? Sangeeta, give me all your worries. Collecting. Dr. Jayashree, give me all your worries. Yes. Srishti, give me all your worries. Bharat, give me all your worries. Yes, now I've collected and I've just given it back to the universe. Now it's not yours. And what is not yours, you cannot use it, right? You don't have only now worry. You have only one thing now, gratitude. जो है ही नहीं कहाँ से use करोगे? Okay, you don't have it now. I have taken it already from you. All right, let's move. I would love you to think throughout the day and think of any three things that you want to happen, right? Any, like normally we say ना कि आज काश मेरा लक अच्छा हो जाए इस चीज में, या काश ये अच्छे से हो जाए, आज ये वाला काम अच्छे से हो जाए, जो भी, right? So I would love you to think of three things in the day that you want कि ये अच्छे से हो जाए. Any three things. Think of any three things, all of you. Write down your three things. Three events. Any three event कि ये वाला चीज अच्छे से हो जाए. If there is no three event, choose any one. Any one event. कि ये ठीक से हो जाए, ये अच्छे से हो जाए, काश इसमें मेरा लक काम कर जाए, या कुछ मैजिक हो जाए. Whatever.
हरे कृष्ण मैम. मैम जो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है उसके लिए लिखना है ना?
ये आज के लिए, टुडे.
आज के लिए.
आज कुछ होने वाला है.
ठीक है.
आज, only for today. Future we have done. Now we are doing for today. Everything that you are learning should become part of you. ये नहीं कि खत्म हुआ कोर्स और खत्म हो गया, नहीं. It should become part of you. And be grateful for the magnificent outcomes. Oh wow, matlab not a normal outcome. It was magnificent. Like you were seeing the outcome and you were like, wow, what a outcome. इतना तो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. That kind of outcome now you are seeing for all of those three tasks. So close your eyes and really feel grateful from your heart. Near your heart area, a glow is there, and you're really feeling grateful for the magnificent outcome that it came today. Great. Well done. Were you all able to do that? When you increase the gratitude feeling inside, outside the thing starts to change for which you will be grateful for. I'll repeat it again. When you increase the feeling of gratitude inside, outside the things starts to increase for which you will feel grateful for. But it will start from inside. Okay? Beautiful. Great. Now this top 10 desire list that you have written, I would love you to take out that paper and keep it where you will see it throughout the day. We are creating a new environment, if you have started to notice, with the magical rock, with the photos of your loved ones, with the health gift of health is keeping me alive, with this top 10 desire list. We are creating a new environment where gratitude is our religion. We don't know any other religion but gratitude. Correct? We don't know how to behave but gratitude. All right. Okay. So keep it where, and at least 2 times throughout the day, I would love you to hold it and really feel thankful for the top 10 desires that you have written right now. Really feel thankful. So no more worrying. Only thing that you can do is be thankful. And you will see everything changing. Do you feel that it will change when you are really vibrating at that? Yes, right? Okay. Let's move. Okay, now I've given you a magic wand. All of you. Shakuntala, take this magic wand. Okay. Jennifer, take this magic wand. Sajid, take this magic wand. Dr. Ovia, magic wand. Bharat, magic wand. Dr. Jayashree, your magic wand. Take it. Sangeeta, take your magic wand. Harshita, take your magic wand. Tanu, take your magic wand. Srishti, take your magic wand. Given, right? So all of you have got your magic wand. Now I would love you to think about 3 people you deeply love or you care for. Any 3 people. It can be in your family, it can be outside, it can be in office. Any 3 people whom you would love to bless with more health, more happiness, because you know whatever you give comes around, right? Whatever goes around comes around. So now we are going to give to 3 people. So any 3 people we are going to really bless with our heart. May you be blessed with health, wealth, relationship, happiness, everything, all 3. So health, wealth, happiness, all 3 we are going to bless. You can choose people from this room. I will to choose definitely from this room. So all of you choose 3 people and really bless. May God really blesses you with this health, wealth, and happiness because you deserve it. Really bless it. Shall we do it? And all of us will do it together. So I'll just play the music. Take your magic wand and really bless.
Thank you for the morning light. Thank you for this breath so bright. Thank you for my beating heart, for every single brand new start. Thank you for the food I eat. Thank you for my moving feet. Thank you for the love I see flowing all around in me. Thank you, thank you, thank you every day. Magic is flowing my way. Thank you, thank you,
of you chose three things, three people, and really blessed from your heart. All of this exercises is changing the frequency with which you will be vibrating. And once you are changing the frequency with which you will be vibrating, you'll be attracting better things in life. That's how law of attraction work, right? The emotions that you are giving, the emotions that you are vibrating in, that kind of things you will get. If I'm vibrating at the very low emotion and all that, then these are the things I will be getting. If I'm vibrating at a beautiful emotion with love, peace, happiness, and gratitude, these are the things I'll be getting, right? Very clear, very simple. All right. So you can just simply use thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you is your words now. It should become your vocabulary. कि इसके मुंह से तो यही निकलता है. Right? Okay. Let's do a last exercise. Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. So let's play this game called life. God is watching and seeing, wow, I have put these people to play and they are like worrying, and what they are doing, I don't know. If your child has gone to play and your child is, no, but मैं हार गया, you will be looking at your child and say, कोई बात नहीं, खेले ना, हार गए तो हार गए. It's okay. Nothing to worry. गिर गए तो गिर गए. It's okay. Same God is looking at us and saying, एक problem आया नहीं कि ये सर पकड़ के बैठ गए कि अरे this has happened to me, what to do now? God will be like, it's okay. You have so many chances. Get up. Get up. Walk. Vibrate at a new frequency. I'm all there. Right? So play the game called life so that we can rediscover the magic. Don't take life too seriously. It's a game happening around. People are playing their role. If in a natak you see a play going on, and the play different people are playing different characters, maybe you will be crying, maybe you will be laughing, but you know that it's a game, right? Life is also a game. And we all are characters, all of us, playing our characters. So have fun. Have fun. Okay? Play it like a game. All right, 1001. All of you look up and say, thank you, God, for everything. Okay. Now, today's homework is very interesting. Okay, you will love it. Be alert of what is around you today. Be very alert what you are seeing around. You are seeing birds, you are seeing people, you are seeing animals, you are seeing your mate doing something, you are seeing your friend doing something, you are seeing somebody on social media, wherever, whatever you are seeing. Be very alert, number one. And take gratitude cues from them. For example, you see somebody with perfect weight. What are you going to say? Thank you, God, for my perfect weight. Thank you, God, for my perfect weight. You are seeing somebody with perfect relationship. You are going to look at that reel or look at that particular people and you're going to say, oh, wow, thank you, God, for my perfect relationship with my husband. Okay? You are seeing a wonderful parent. Thank you, God, for such wonderful relationship with my child. Thank you, God, for my bank balance filled with money. Thank you, God, for whatever you are seeing and you are loving it, rather than becoming jealous. Uske paas sab hai, mere paas kuch nahi hai, and I don't get, and this and that and whatever. No, this is not your language. You are not normal, right? What are you going to say? Thank you, God, for this. Thank you, God, for the perfect partner. So whatever you are loving, I would love you to stop and really feel thankful for that as if you have it. So look for gratitude cues around. So all the gratitude cues you will see, and you will stop for a second or a minute and you will really feel thankful for that thing as if you have it. जैसे वो तुम्हारे पास है. Right? So that is what is your homework today. We'll meet tomorrow, and tomorrow will be the last day. And tomorrow I would love to hear from you. How was this course for you, right? Very, very important. So that the next month we are going to bring it. And if there's any suggestions, anything you would love to include, I would love to have your opinions, right? Okay. So take care. Bye. Love you all. Take care. Good night. Good night. I'm saying good morning. Good morning. Have a wonderful day. Have a beautiful day. Have a day filled with gratitude. And you all are amazing souls, not normal souls. Just remember that, and remember gratitude is your religion. Sending you lots of love. Take care. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow. Last day tomorrow. Very important. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Thank you.